We are Jera Live, a factory that produces cable infrastructure products for outdoor deployment. You are watching the video tutorial of Fiber Cable Clamp D1. The clamp was developed to suspension the fiber optic cables of figure 8 design. Product's key features: special grip pattern for FRP messenger. Suitable for FRP messengers of 4 to 7 mm jacket diameter. One-piece design, prevents any part from falling. Proper tightening of clamp without damage to cable jacket. Secured installation with pole bracket. Our mass production facility allows reaching the required delivery time. Welcome to contact us to have more details about tension clamps and related products.